My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts related to the site News-fiyofa.cc. News-fiyofa.cc is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This would hijack your browser with a lot of pop-up windows that would be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser. Access the menu, then settings, privacy and security, site settings, in permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove these News-fiyofa and other malicious sites if you find them here on the list. So carefully get rid of all of them. Finally, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start carefully researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.